guys, and thank you so much for joining me here on Product Perspective. So today we're looking at the Apple Watch Series 6, which was recently just released. It's Apple's newest watch. It has some very cool features and a lot of things that I've come to really like since I upgraded from the Series 3, which I have right here. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, which I already did because I've been using this for about a week now. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna talk about best features and just some things that I've come to really like about the Apple Watch Series 6. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I have the Apple Watch Series 6, a brand new Apple Watch that was just released, I believe 2 weeks ago. I got it, it's the Series 6, just the GPS, 40mm blue aluminum, and I'm really glad I got the blue because I can't wait to get in here and see what that looks like. So of course, normal packaging here. I believe the box is a little bit different than normal. Tear that. Okay, and this just pops like this. Okay, and there we have it. You can see this packaging here on the edge. You can see right here, Series 6. And you also have these kind of different tabs here. Now, I have the Series 3. So that's upgrading pretty much 3 different series. So I haven't unboxed one of these boxes, so super excited. Okay, so let's get in here. Literally just pull this tab like this. That'll open right up. And it looks like, let's see here. Yeah, you just pull these like that. Apple boxes are like literally the coolest boxes ever. I mean, no joke. Okay, and this opens up like this. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. And there's the Apple Watch. It kind of has like this matte finish. Okay, so we have this, which is in its separate box. And then here is the Solo Loop in its own box as well. Let's first get into the Solo Loop. Let's just see what that feels like. Again, I have not used the Solo Loop. This is brand new to the Apple Watch Series 6. It's just like this stretchy material. They also have a woven one, but that is $100. This is $50. And of course, if you get the other one, it's $50 as well, the normal clasp one. And I think this is the right way. Let's open this up. Okay, it shows how to install it. And here it is. I mean, not much different than the other one. You just pull this out. And packaging wise, just a little different. And it is very, whoa. It feels like this silicone rubber. It's much more flexible than this. And as you can see right here, I'm not pulling super hard. It bends quite a bit. Nice color as well. I think that's gonna look a lot cooler. As you can see right here, it says size 8. I'm hoping the size fits. There's a little thing you can get to actually, it's just on the Apple Watch site. You cut it out and you wrap it around your hand. And it shows what size it should be. I was between sizes. They said that pick the smaller size will work better, so hopefully this will work. Let's get into the actual watch. Okay, same thing back here. It looks like there's 2 tabs to pull. And pop this guy out, just like that. And here's the beautiful Apple Watch. You can see it matches the color of the watch. And you literally just slide this out. Oh, automatically turns on. And it is turning on as we speak. Again, it's USB, it's not USB-C. And looks pretty much just like the other ones, maybe a little bit thinner. Apple Watch is booting up as we speak. Okay, so all you do is you can see that is in pairing mode. You go right here to all watches, add watch, set up myself, set up with family, set up myself. The whole family sharing is a new update as well with the Apple Watch Series 6. You can share with your family. You can have this family plan. It's just gonna be myself. We're going to hold over this guy right here. For some reason that is not working. Oh, there we go. Restore from backup. Continue. That is restoring from this Apple Watch. It's all set up. And that will take a little bit of time. As you can see right here, the size is definitely smaller, but the screen is bigger as well. This is the 42mm and this is the 40mm. So it's 2mm smaller, but you're getting a bigger screen because this screen is not quite as big. It's just the older style. And of course, you can see the beautiful color right here. The blue is beautiful. And you can see the back here with the new sensors. It says Series 6, 40mm. It has 4 sensors there. That is for the blood oxygen level, which I can't wait to get into and test. Okay, it looks like this is booting up as we speak. Okay, so while we wait for this to update, I'm actually going to put it on. You can see you just stretch that like crazy, and you literally just slide it on, and I mean that fits like it is super, oh my word, it is super comfortable. Like, no joke, it is comfortable. And I feel like this doesn't have hardly any give. I mean, not at all any give there. This has give. So if you move your hand, if you twist it like this, you actually get that to stretch. Or if you go sideways, it actually is stretching the band, and so you get that more comfort. And it's a little stickier, so it's not gonna slide around as much. I'm gonna use this for just some time to get used to it, get all the settings down, and then I will be back with you guys to show you all of the cool features. Okay, so it was an amazing unboxing experience. I mean, I haven't had an unboxing experience like that for a long time. Okay, so enough with the Apple Watch Series 6 packaging, which is already pretty cool. We wanna actually get into the Apple Watch. So first off, you're gonna see I just pull this right off, just like that. It's a solo loop, which they released at the same time with the Apple Watch Series 6, of course, and it's way different than you normally would see. I mean, it's a solo loop, and it is very stretchy, as you can see. I mean, you can just bend it all over. It's just super, super bendy. I mean, if you go to this one here, it doesn't bend at all. There's no bend in it. It's stiff. You have to go and you have to reach around, buckle it, slide that piece in, and you're there. And it's not that comfortable. If you bend your hand, you get no stretch at all. You go to the Series 6, you slide that on, and you can bend your hand. It actually stretches the band. And that's what makes it super comfortable, along without having that big buckle and extra slit in there. It's a little bit lighter, and it's just a ton more comfortable. When I slid it on the first time, it was crazy the difference. I want to wear this 24/7. So super cool. They literally just, each end slides in, you slide it over your hand, and that is it. I mean, you get lots of stretch, a lot of beautiful colors. I picked the blue since it matches the blue, which is the next thing I'm gonna point out, is the colors. So they have this blue, which is just a blue. It's this navy, beautiful colored blue. You can see the new sensors there in the bottom. And I was like, nope, I'm going with the blue automatically. They, of course, have all their other stainless steel, and they're just normal colored ones. And then they have the product red as well, which a lot of people are getting because they like that bright red. Personally, the blue is way prettier than the red. Next feature is the blood oxygen level sensor, which is the new sensor. You always had your heart rate and all those other sensors. Now you have a new sensor, and that's what the back looks different now. It's a pretty cool looking sensor. It's just nicer looking than this big like black thing. Now this is the Series 3, so the 5 does look different, but I've come to really like the sensor on this. Now, I couldn't use the sensor for several days because I'm on the beta program. If you are in the beta program, you had the same issue. The blood oxygen sensor just had to be fixed. But I've been using it for the past 3 or 4 days now, and I like it, but I'm not really sure how accurate it is. Within 5 minutes, I'll do several different ones, and they all change a little bit. They'll be 96%, 97%, 98%. Sometimes it'll be the exactly same as the reading before, but a lot of times it's slightly different. So it always kind of makes me question, how accurate is this? But I believe it's accurate enough that if you have a problem, if your oxygen level is way down, you're at least going to be able to see, oh, it's 90%, it's 92%, then you're going to have that issue. And it takes readings, I believe, at night. I haven't really had it do that yet, but you can go to your health app and you can look at all your percentage, your average, and all that cool stuff with the new sensor. Again, not a big deal, but it's just something, especially with COVID going around, COVID-19. Early signs of COVID-19 could be low blood oxygen level, so make sure you guys look into that if you really want to play it safe. Okay, the next thing is the screen brightness, which I did not know the always-on display, how bright it was. But this is a bright screen, especially when you're outside. It is, the always-on display is bright. And then the normal display is, I would say, brighter than this, definitely. A couple of YouTubers said it wasn't a ton brighter, but I do notice it being bright. I think it's cool. I hope it doesn't kill my battery, though. I just have a lot of those other things that this doesn't have. This is a pretty basic watch if you compare it to this one. And it's also a big watch. I mean, you compare them side to side, it's a big watch. And I'm glad to have this size with that bigger screen, the curved edges, just a beautiful watch. I can't wait to use it more. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot more, especially with that solo loop. It's a lot more comfortable and just a lot of cool features there that I think I'll be using a lot. Another thing to tag on is it supposedly charges faster. So that's about all the features. I mean, there's a couple other little things, but those are the biggest things that I've come to like. The solo loop is the big thing that I've really liked. I mean, all the other features are cool as well. Not a big change between the 5 and the 6. The sensor was the main thing. Hopefully you guys like this video. Again, the Apple Watch Series 6 is an incredible watch. I'll have a link down in the description. And make sure you guys consider liking this video and also consider subscribing. I've built a lot of videos up the past couple years. I have like 50 or 60 videos. Go check out some of the older ones. And they just keep on getting better. And I thank you guys who are supporting me and subscribers. Thank you so much. And hopefully I'll see you back in another video.